Yo, YouTube, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. In today's episode, I will share with you a pair of sneakers that I'm currently hoarding. Hindi naman hoarding to the point na sobrang dami, but I do have a couple, and I'll share with you what that sneaker is, why I'm doing it, and then dadaling ko kayo sa Unbox Green Hills. We're meeting a fellow YouTuber, and baka tingnan natin, baka mag-shopping siya, tingnan natin kung anong pick-up niya. So if that excites you, if that interests you, keep on watching. Tara, let's go. Now, before we get started, let me just announce that we still have a couple of pieces of our collaboration art toy with Jaya. So Jaya is one of my favorite Filipino street artists, and he came out with this amazing art toy. So nakalagay dyan sa likod, make your own luck in quotation marks, and then alam niyo naman yung diagonal inspiration na yan. And kung napapansin niyo, the O is missing dyan sa ox, no? Because kinuha na ni Dusty. So yan, just with like most cats, diba, they tear everything. So that's why the name of the toy is that it's okay to not be okay. And if you guys want one, it's available. I can link it down below where you can buy it from Project 721. So message nyo lang ang Project 721 or Unbox Green Hills sa Facebook, and you can buy this for just 4,500 pesos. We only have 12, and we've sold quite a number already. So if gusto nyo guys, now is the time to get it. First come, first serve lang siya. Limited edition run of 12. Okay, so this is the sneaker that I've been hoarding. Hindi naman hoarding, pero I do have a couple. This is the Jordan 1 Retro High Hyper Royal. So I do have it in a lot of sizes. I've been buying them from resellers, Facebook Marketplace, people who are selling them for na legit at good prices. And this is what it looks like. So pakita ko lang sa inyo. Ayaw niya maalis sa box. So yan. So you're probably aware of this shoe. I've reviewed it. I've shown it on the channel. And you've probably seen it on other YouTuber. So the big question is, why are we buying a lot? Actually, the reason is very simple. So again, this is the pair over here. The reason is very simple. So I've been diversifying my investments in the last few weeks. So I have investments obviously in the stock market. I have investments in cryptocurrency. I have investments in businesses. I have investments in real estate. And when it comes to sneakers, I felt na it would be nice to invest in one pair that I think will probably go up in value over the long term, maybe like 1 or 2 years. And if I can get like a 20-30% return on that, then pwede na, masaya na ako doon. So I did not backdoor the pairs. I did not get them at ridiculous prices. I did not use bots to buy like multiples. I'm actually buying from resellers. So I bought a lot from people who are flipping on Facebook, flipping on the marketplace, flipping, or resellers who are just trying to sell it at good prices. So medyo madami-dami na ako nabili, and the plan is to just hold on to them for a couple of months, maybe more than a year, and tingnan lang natin. Kung maganda yung returns, then at least malamang talo pa niya yung performance na ibang mutual funds that I have. Wala lang, it's just a weird experiment. So kung trip nyo rin gawin yon, that might be something that you guys might want to do. Figure out which sneaker can go up in value over a period of time, put them on ice, and then just sell them later on, much later on, pag maganda na yung value niya. Yung problema lang dito with shoes, compared to other forms of investment, is number one, storage, and making sure that there's no wastage and you take care of them. And number two, when you liquidate, you need to have the means to be able to sell. So yun yung mga kailangan pa natin pag-isipan, pero at least in this process, nag-enjoy ako. I've been meeting a lot of people who I've been buying the Jordan 1s from. So nakakatuwa lang siya na experience. So ano sa tingin nyo? Gagana ba to? Papalpak ba to? I really don't know. I have a feeling it might work. So I put in a certain budget to see, and maybe after several months, babalikan ko kayo ng vlog if successful tong project natin or hindi. So let me know, comment section down below, what you guys think of this plan. Sana talaga gumana plano ko, no? Anyway, with that said, let's hop on over to the car. Punta tayo ng Unbox Green Hills. Before we head on over to Unbox Green Hills, dadaan lang tayo sa isang sneaker cleaning shop dito sa Green Hills, just along Annapolis. They're called LA Sneaker Laundry Shop. So dire-diretso ka lang ng Annapolis. Ayan, nasa Annapolis tayo. Ayan. Yan yun, no? Yung may orange lights, purple lights. Tara, puntahan natin. Kaway naman dyan, brother. You know, so may makita mo may parang malaking Nike shoebox dito. Sa likod niyan, dyan lahat ng magic nangyayari. So daan lang kayo, ito yung address, oh. upper ground unit 7 Swireland building sa may Annapolis. Yun oh! Ito yung paborito kong ano eh. Off-white na leather shoes. Linis no? Pakita ko sa inyo yung picture nung before kasi na-picturean ko to prior. So makikita nyo dyan. Tapos ngayon parang halos brand new no? Kahit yung suede, maganda yung pagkatira no? Pati yung ilalim. So, kung gusto niyo magpalinis ng sapatos, nandito kayo sa Green Hills area, daan lang kayo dito.
Yung basic clean po namin, it's just the outside part, 400 only. Yung deep clean po natin, yun po yung we do outside and inside of the shoe cleaning, and we deodorize the whole shoe also. That's 700 only.
700. So yung deep clean, yung pinagkaiba niya, pati yung loob.
Pati loob, yes.
Dinilinis.
And we deodorize the shoe also.
Ah, nagko-custom din kayo?
Yes, sir. The vice mayor.
Si Iyo?
Yes,
okay, nagkano yun. Ang bait nun. Ayun. So guys, kung meron kayong mga gustong patira, palinis, pa-restore, o pa-custom, daan lang kayo dito. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yun, boom. Okay, now that we've gotten our sneakers cleaned at nakuha na natin actually yung clean pair, let's head on over to Unbox Renals. We'll met up with a fellow YouTuber and tingnan na natin if there's anything new over at the shop. So tara. So nandito na yung imi-meet natin na YouTuber. Nag-YouTube siya ngayon, no? Yan, no? Tignan mo, parang Inception, parang pareho kami. Ayo! Kamusta, brother? Of course, we have the one and only Ian, you know.
Hey guys, bisita kayo dito. Parang dreamland dito, ang daming toys.
AKA Budol Capital. Yun yung tawag namin dito sa lugar na to.
Ay, tama-tama. Marami. Hindi kayo lalabas dito na walang nabibili.
Correct. Ito yung lugar na pagpunta kayo nang wala kayong planong bilhin. May mabibili ka pa rin.
Hindi ka pa rin talaga.
Diba? Ikaw, brother, ano yung pinaka nagustuhan mo so far sa pag-ikot mo?
Ako, pinaka gusto ko dito, boss, yung mga steel cabinet mo talaga. Yun talaga.
Pero di tayo magka-size eh.
Kaya nga eh. Kung magka-size tayo, every week nandito ako.
Correct.
Sobrang steel. Kasi may mga 2K, 3K lang. Sobrang mura talaga.
Pero minsan, sumilip ka din sa mga ibang cabinet. Kasi some of the renters even sell at panakaw na presyo din.
Ay, yun yung the best.
So hindi lang ako. So minsan nakita kami ng mga 2K, 3K, 4K shoes dyan na mas iba't ibang size.
At least for everyone pa rin talaga.
So pagkatapos yung dumalaw dun sa steel cabinet, tingin kayo dun. So by the way, I will link down below to your YouTube channel. Make sure to give him a subscribe, give him a thumbs up, and all of that cool stuff. Tapos mag-comment kayo sa mga videos niya. Sabi mo, Carlo sent you there.
Thank you, Sir Carlo. Pumunta kayo dito, guys. Napaka-enjoy dito.
Yun, okay. Thank you. So, quick update. I just bought my first ever singles expensive na NBA basketball card. To some people, this might not be expensive. To some people, this might be a little bit too much. But I just feel that it's a great investment given how amazing this player has been playing lately. So, this is box 32. Dito sa Unbox Renals, he has amazing NBA cards. Even that crazy sick Kaboom Kobe Bryant for 395,000 and that Kaboom Kevin Durant 215,000. As in talaga, wild, diba? So I got the Trae Young Prism rookie card. 20,000. 20,000 for this. Crazy. But man, tingnan natin. Oo nga pala, if you guys are looking for like instant ramen, this is like the best instant ramen ever. You can find it here, box 48. From Japan yan, Ichiran. So it's like 450 pesos each. Pero sobrang sarap. As in talagang best ramen ever. So tingnan yan dyan. If ever you guys swing by, make sure to grab one. Before, maubos yan, promise. Meron tayong art show that's happening all the way until?
The 30th.
30th. So if you wanna drop by and see the custom art toys that are here, sobrang panalo, sobrang ganda ng design. So for now, we'll talk to one of the organizers and one of the artists. So brother,
hello.
baka you can explain ano nangyayari.
So we're having the Madbox 30 custom art toy show. It's the custom art toy show of Arcade JL. His main figure Madbox 30, he got multiple artists to collaborate and create custom one-offs of their figure in their own design.
So yun yung all of the designs that they're seeing here, no? So all of these are individual works of different artists.
Yep, and they're all one of one. So
Nice.
there's only one of these ever made, and there will only be one. This will be running from today, the 24th, to until the 30th.
Yun.
Yeah.
So guys, make sure that you drop by. If ever you're in Green Hills, ang ganda talaga ng mga designs of the individual artists. In fact, we'll talk to one of them. Chano, tara. Forma pa lang alam mo ng artist na eh, 'di ba? It screams art, the look, 'di ba? So which one is your piece?
That one.
Can you bring it down? Oh, ang ganda.
Hello. So, bale, ito yung gawa ko. Ang tawag dito is Old Man. The 60s is weird. Ang bali, inspired siya sa kanta ni Jimi Hendrix na Voodoo Child.
Yun yung
Kaya
kwento
ganito
doon.
siya. Bali, itong mga markings na to, parang ano siya. Mga panahon ng 60s, parang ginagamit siya as witchcraft, gano'n siya. Medyo bloody na, medyo dark.
Okay, syempre, supportahan natin si Chano, no? Pero meron din ako isang dito nagugustuhan. JMV Arts Figure. Ano ba to? Stereo Cat. Oh my God! Ang cute! Panalo! Sana wag kayo mag-bid dito. Dahil pala hindi ko pinapakita yung mga gusto ko, no? So hindi ko napapakita yung kay Wetworks na maganda. Hindi ko na rin papakita isa pang gusto ko. So mukhang may kalaban na ako dun sa art ni Chano tsaka itong Stereo Cat eh. Pero, so yun, just make sure that you guys drop by if ever you're in the area. Shout out of course to Mr. Jed Madela. Ito yung design niya, oh. So Jed Madela Mad Mixtape. Cute. So meron tayong bagong renter box 111. O, diba? So this is J_hype_OG. So meron tayong mga Jordan 1s over here. We have the Percourt Purple size 9. Magkano ba ito? Yung V1 is 25,000. The V2 is 14. You have the Japan size 11 for 10,000. You have a Bape hoodie. You have an LV bag. And a couple more sneakers, pati Yeezys, tsaka Off-White. So again, box 111. So nandito na rin tayo, box 109. So this is Zippy Leather Crafts. So ito yung may magandang na super nice premium looking watch rolls. So if you guys are into watches, make sure to check them out, box 109. Box 108 naman is Mayday Manila. So they have shoe boxes, they have nice Funko Pops, they have this nice Jordan 1 low and high. Yung triple white is 12,000 na low, dunk low. The Jordan 1 Retro High OG sale is 9,500. So guys, before we end the vlog, so I have a very special guest, one of our teammates. Oy, naka-dusty shirt, yan si Nikki. Tadan! So ano binili mo?
Bumili ako ng Transformers na Asics for my dad.
Yun! Happy Father's Day po kay Tito.
Yes.
Diba? Sobrang panalo. Mahilig siya sa toys o mahilig siya sa robots?
Robots. So Transformers and Gundam and also Voltes 5.
I think I will get along with your dad.
Yeah,
I think
so.
I think I'm old. Anyway.
But that's not old. He's young pa naman.
Oh, yun. O, sige. So guys, that actually wraps up the vlog for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. O, ikaw mag-close.
Okay.
Go!
Ay, wait lang. Peace, God bless, what's up, and boom!